got a package today. Just a couple things that I ordered. Come from the great up north, up there in Canada. Original mod design, OMD. Mods design. And what do we got? Let's see. We got us a gas cap. Ooh, I like that flat. That matte black. Good. Do not over tighten. Time to get rid of this. This thing that has a flat O-ring or flat ring. Nice. Nice big O-ring. Boy, look at the quality of that. Some good stuff. I like billet. Billet is nice. Boom. And as for this one, see ya! Now, what else do we got here? Got us a new shifter. I'm gonna replace this one with this. Let's see if we can get it off by hand. So unscrews. Don't need that one one more time. Right. Look at that. That looks good. And a couple more mods added to it. We'll have to find us a place to put the old sticker. Thanks for the sticker, guys. And thanks for the quick shipping down here. Took about a week. So now we got some good old OMD on there. Just like, you know, that's where I got the old Punisher logo, gas cap, 2-inch riser, and knuckle shifter. That stuff's held up great. So, thanks again.